Hello and welcome back. We already started adding some text to the side menu. We added these icons, tests, and units. What we are going to do is to add stars to these parts of the side menu so that they can look just like this. Now, to work with this, let's first add the item left property to these icons so that it's going to align to what we have right here. So I'll go into my Eon list, button, then Eon icon. So inside this Eon icon, I'll add item left. Now this will allow the icons to be aligned to the left side of the side menu. So now that I have it, let's check it out. You can see now they have been aligned. Now we need to add the CSS styles to all of this. Now I'll add a class to this button. So I'll add a class and I'll call it, say, units. Now let me go into my app.scss. Down here, this is going to be menu-content, Eon list, because it's inside an Eon list. Then the name of the class, which is units. The background color, I'll set the background color to light white, or we can say inherit, but let me just set it to light white. Then the color itself, first let me check here. The colors will be, or the color is going to be color, then gray color. Gray color. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add or change the background for this Eon badge. So this is going to be, let me copy this, come down here, then change this to Eon badge. Then for the background color, I'll say inherit. Then for the color itself, it's going to be gray. Then the font size 1.5. Set the importance flag. So we are styling the units and also we are styling the Eon badge. That is what I have right here. So I'll go ahead, save, then go to my page to see the changes. So I'll open up the side menu. Now you can see this is how it looks. Maybe you can decide to change the color of this icon to match what we have here. So if I go to the class here, or maybe I should just add a class and I'll call it icon units. Icon units. So here it's going to be menu content, Eon lists, then let me add this. So for the color, it's going to be primary. Let me save this. So I'll go to the browser. Now if I open up, you can see now how the icons look. If you want it to have this blue color, you can just do this. But if you want it to inherit the color of this text, you can just do the same. So now we've added the styles to this page. All we need to do next is to just add some styles right here. And we're going to do that in the next video.